Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to your Samsung DeX on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7. If you want to connect a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard to Z Flip7 using DeX mode, it is pretty simple and pretty convenient because you can use a physical mouse and keyboard that way. You can not only do that with Bluetooth mice and keyboards, because you can also get a hub for your phone and plug in a USB mouse and keyboard and stuff like that, but this video is about Bluetooth mice and keyboards. So first of all, I'll just place my keyboard and my mouse here, and I'll use the touchpad mode on the Samsung first so I can get to the settings. If you don't know about touchpad, there are videos on it on our channel. Basically, you'll need to go to connections, then go to Bluetooth, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled, and now you'll need to put your devices into pairing modes, and it depends on your device. Different devices have very different ways of going to pairing modes, so you may want to either check out the manual or watch a video on our channel if that keyboard or mouse has been already recorded by us. Now, here on the keyboard, I'll put it in pairing mode, so let's do it. Okay, I think that now my keyboard is in pairing mode. I'll click on scan to start scanning for devices and select the keyboard. Then click on pair to pair it. And now it should be working. I'm gonna check it out. Let's go to search, for example. Works perfectly fine. Okay, now time for the mouse. And it's gonna be exactly the same. Just put your mouse into pairing mode. Then click on scan in the settings and select the mouse. Click on pair. And now it is paired and it works perfectly fine. Also, what's worth noting, often the mouse sensitivity is too high, especially for me. I find it really high. And if you want to change it, as you can see how my mouse flows right now. If you want to change it, go to, actually, I believe it was in the, you can just search for it, right? So let's search for mouse and trackpad in general management, I think. Yes, and now you can change the pointer speed. I think I like it that way now, and yeah, that will be about it for this video. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.